Hello guys, so I want to teach you a very effective way of expanding, of doing expansion with combination of binomial and pascal triangle. Very effective, very much effective. So now let's start with z minus 1 over z. I am deliberate about all this because of the aspect of complex number that you will need it very well. Z minus 1 over z raised to power 4. Now the thing is that this power will be on Z first. Whenever you have minus, then this is the pattern you'll be following. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. So the first one will be plus, the next one will be minus, the next one will be plus, the next one will be minus. But whenever you have plus, everything will be plus, plus, plus. Do you get that? So now, this one will carry the power. Then the other one will be, we have power of 0 here, of which if you raise it to power 0 is 1 times this, we have this. Now the next one, this one will reduce by 1, z cube. Then this one will carry power of 1 times 1 over z. The next one will be plus. This one will reduce by 2, z square. Then this one will carry power of 2, 1 over z square, minus this one will reduce by 3, z. Then this one will carry power of 3, 1 over z cube, plus, then this one will reduce totally by 4, which will be z raised to power 0, which is 1. Then this one will carry power of 4, 1 times this. Now go and check your Pascal triangle. This is power of 0, power of 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1, 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, 1, 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 3 plus 1, 4. That's how to generate it. 1, 1 plus 3, 4, this 6, this 4, then 1. 1 plus 4, 5, 4 plus 6, 10, 6 plus 4, 10, 4 plus 1, 5, then 1. 1 plus 5, 6, this 15, this plus this 20, this plus this 15, this plus this 6, then 1. So the power of 4, the coefficient is what? You see, if anything has power of 1, you are doing expansion, the coefficient is what? 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So here we are 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So this is the expansion. That's just it. That's it. Do we get that? So now number 2. Let's do this one. Z plus. So Z will carry power of 6 plus Z will reduce by 1, then 1 over Z plus Z will reduce by 2. Oh, sorry. I did not finish. Did I? That first one. Okay, wait, I'm coming. Yeah. Since I'm using Pascal, it's completed. I finished it. I was thinking of all those factorial form, but since I've applied all this, now z4, then this one we have what? We increase by 2 plus z cube. This one reduce by 3, then this one will increase by 3 plus z square. This one started from 6, has been reduced by 4. Then this one increased by 4 plus z. This one has been reduced by 5. Then this increased by 5. Then plus z0. This one has been reduced totally. Then this one increased totally because the highest power is 6. Then go and check expansion of 6. 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. That's it. That's just it. And you are done. That's the expansion of this. Now the next one, you can use binomial alone. If you want to use binomial alone, that's when you'll be doing this n will come down over 2 factorial, over 1 factorial, over 3 factorial. But if you know how to combine the two very well, you'll be very fast and it will be very effective. So now let's say we have 2z here. Yeah, 2z. Let's say we have 2z there. So this guy will give us 2z all into 5. Do you see the first part? Then this one will be power of 0 there, which should be 1. You know it's minus. Then you have plus, minus. Then you have 2z all into power of 4, 1 over z. Then the next one plus, you have 2z all into power of 3, 1 over z square, plus minus 2z all square, 1 over z cube, plus 2z 1 over z 4. 2z, then 1 over this 2. No, if I put the cube outside, this still be 1 cube 1 z cube. So putting the cube outside the same thing as putting it as on z alone, because 1 cube will still be 1. So z4 plus minus, then 2z power of 0, 2z power of 0, which is 1. So I don't need to write it. Then this one will be increased by 5, 1 over z all into 5, or I put the 5 here. So now, expansion of 5, this is the coefficient. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. That's just it. But you have to change this thing. 2 raised power 5, this one will now give you what? Minus 1 over z5. This one will now give 2 raised power 5 is 32z. You now have 32z minus 2 raised power 4, 16 times 5, 80z. Then 1 over z, 80z4. 2 raised power 4, 16 times 5, 80. Z for 1 over z. You can still cancel z here 1, z here 3. You can be doing that at the end of the day. 2 cube, 8. 8 times 10, 80. Z cube, 1 over z square. Then 2 square, 4. 4 times 10, 40. Then z square, 1 over z cube. I hope you can see. So this is 2. 2 times 5, 10. Then you have 10z, 1 over z4. 10z, 1 over z4, then minus 1 over z5. That's just it. That's very beautiful. Very, very, very beautiful. So the next one, here we have s square. The first one, s square, take it to the power of 5 plus s square. Don't make mistake and write x alone. It is s square that we have there. Reduce it by 1, then 1 over what? 2x plus s square. Reduce another 1, then 1 over what? 2x all into square plus s square. Reduce it again, then 1 over what? 2x all into what? Cube plus s square, then 0 raised power 0, which we don't need because it will be 1, 2x, 5, 4, 3. Okay, this should be 2, this should be cube. So we still need s square raised power of 1, 1 over 2x, 4 plus s square, 1 over 2x, 5. Do we get that? Very easy. Then this one will give you x10, x raised power 10. This one will give you x raised to power 8 divided by 2x. This one will give you x raised to power 6 divided by 4s square. No, this 1 square is 1. 2s square, that's 4s square. 2 square, 4s square. So this one will give you x raised to power 6 divided by 4s square. This one will give you x raised to power 4 divided by 8s cube, because 2 cube is 8. This one will give you x square divided by 16x4. 2 raised to power 4 is 16. This one will give you x square divided by 32x5. Very, very, very easy. That's just it. That's everything you need to know. Very, very, very much easy. Thanks for watching. So master it in case you have any bigger expansion to do. So don't just stress yourself. As the part as our a, this like a minus b, a plus b. So as a is reducing, 5, 4, 3, b will be increasing. A here is 5, b there is 0. That's why you don't write it, because if we raise b to power of 0, it will be 1. So a will start with the highest power, b will start with the least, which is 0. So a will be reducing by 1, then b will be increasing by 1. Once you are done with all that, use Pascal triangle to get the coefficient instead of using the completion of binomial by saying over 1 factorial over 2 factorial. If you know that, is very good, but this is faster than it. Just expand like this. Then if it is power of 6, then The coefficient will be this. Once you are done, then add the coefficient. You are done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video. You can also subscribe to my channel membership by clicking the button below which says join. It's just 1K per month to have access to an intensive class. Thank you.